Girls Act, Part 1, Jarrell and Gary.
And to be more specific, Ratchet girls.
Yeah. Like, I don't understand, like, why you would drink the baby juicy juice? Like, girl, like
I just bought that with my EBT last week.
Oh my god, like,
He only had 3 more cartons left.
I don't ever understand, like, why, like, dudes think they just because you got, give me $1. Like, that don't even mean nothing, like, I just need my ages done, you know.
Girl, listen, girl. Last week, girl, my
Yes.
baby daddy was supposed to come pick up his son
Exactly.
to take him to get some shoes for school.
I'm messing with a white man.
But, oh yes, girl, me too. But I told him to come get his shoes for him for school.
Yeah.
And then I gave him the money. And he went and bought himself some retros.
Oh my god, I don't know, but see, like, listen,
I just don't understand. Like, what do they not comprehend? Babies need love. My tracks
Oh
are
my
so itchy
like,
right
why?
now.
Like, sweet.
Like, I swear I have, like, the
Girl,
biggest
listen, I got a
migraine.
TWA afro under the sleeve, child.
Oh,
yeah.
girl, listen, girl. Team TWA, girl. High
Yes,
five, girl.
like, yes.
Oh, my God. It's only, like, 3.5 inches. Long hair, don't care. Yeah.
I mean, like, listen, like, I mind, like, I be going to Sam's, like, you know, if you could have
Girl, listen, I found a bag of half-open tracks last week.
Oh, girl, you
You
gotta
best believe that's what's in my head right now,
girl,
girl.
you gotta save that money now, girl.
Oh, what? 2 snaps up, girl.
Girl, bounce with it, girl, bounce biggity.
Yeah, bouncy, biggity, bouncy, biggity, bouncy. Like, yeah.
Girl, like, well, I don't understand, like, I mean, all this juice going on, like, all this, like, drama.
Yeah, like, what is up with the static, though?
Like, all these Facebook statuses, like, girl, listen, we know, like, you trip off our edges, but, like, we still better than you, like, I don't care.
Oh,
you man once.
my guys.
Exactly.
Yes.
Like, what?
Like what?
I mean, like
what?
girl, listen, you know what I do now?
What?
Sam's, if you go to Sam's, girl, it's like a little open shelf, like it's the little old man in there. Like, you just become friendly with him, and girl, he give you all the dang soda you want.
Girl, what?
Sweet girl.
Oh, we gonna keep this between us. We ain't about to tell none of these
Yes.
other ratchet females.
25, what is it, 35 cents for a can of soda, girl, you know. It's
Oh, yes, Lord, I will be getting that so I can save my EBT.
Yes, Coca-Cola and Sam's the same thing. Ain't no difference.
And guess what, girl? I sold my food stamps.
Why?
And I got 3 bags of weed instead of 2 this time.
Girl, hey, listen.
Yes, girl.
Girl, you wanna keep something on the low, girl?
What's up?
Hey, listen, I sell my sister baby daddy Jordans for some EBT, girl.
Girl, listen.
Yes.
Girl, I just did the same
What?
thing.
He so
He had a
mad.
shoe collection, right?
Yeah.
I took them. I pawned them. Yes, girl. Yes, I did.
when?
And guess what I got for them?
Why?
I got some Kankalon extensions.
Oh, girl.
Yes, looking too nice. I'll show you next week, girl. Cause I'm gonna wear that out to the club.
Girl.
Yes.
All day, every day.
You know it.
I ain't about to let no.
You know it.
No baby daddy gonna have more head than I. And that ain't gonna fly at all. Hey, girl, listen, check this out. I just been at warm up the other day, right? Ooh, and this girl tracks was so dusty, but yet she always had to say something because I got a mohawk. Yes, it look like Mr. T, girl, and yes, like if I want a Mr. T
Long
mohawk,
hair. Don't care.
like design, whatever. Like if I want to put Skittles packets in my hair, I can do that.
Lip shade.
Yes.
Lip shade.
Yes.